There are many different ways to do lead generation, but the most effective way is to create a complete pack of resources organized in a logical order. Each resource should have an eye-catching intro, a conclusion, and a clear CTA, call to action. Then the resources are combined to create a complete package, including a landing page, an opt-in form, and gated content. Hey, it is your boy, Willie D. Jarnett here. I'm about to discuss how to do lead generation for beginners. I will provide the tools below to help you create a stress-free process. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. Okay, I'm doing another video on really how to do lead generation for people who just getting started out in actually trying to build themselves a list. So in this method, it works you, but at least it's free and it don't cost you any money to get started in this particular way we're going to talk about this today. Now, I've shared with you ways to do this in a couple of my videos on this channel, but I'm titling it how to do lead generation for beginners. And the simplest way to do it, and I'm just going to tell you, and I've said this several times on this channel, and we're going to talk about it again. This particular software, Lead Skimmer, you can start off with this one. This is just to get you started, because when it comes to having to create your own lead capture page, lead magnet, and things of that nature, sometimes it's time consuming. So you want, far as a beginner, to start out simple lead capture page. Okay, and I will have a link to this lead capture page. And then the next thing you want to do, because I'm getting straight into it, you want to go to a site called Traffic Hoopla. And I've said this before in several of my videos. Everything that they have in Traffic Hoopla, they test these sites. They see whether they're worthy of you using them or not. So they test them, and once they test them, then they rank them, and then they place them in here. So what you want to do when you join Traffic Hoopla, and check this out, I'll have that link in below this video as well. What you want to do, you want to come in here, and it has 3 different places to join. This is what you do. You come in and you join here. You go and join this join the traffic ad bar. But before you join, you create your 2 Gmail accounts. You create a Gmail account for just your contact, and you create it for traffic, for traffic coming in there. But what you want to do on traffic ad bar, you come in and it takes 5 minutes a day. You click on other people's ads, you get credit, and then what it does, it exposes, don't cost you nothing. It exposes your link. If they see it and they're attracted to it, you get a lead. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, you go to the next one, and you got Lead Lease, which is a excellent software. I'm telling you, I have got a ton of leads from this. You go here and you join, and you go in the back office, and they teach you how to kind of set up an ad. And what you're doing is you're actually within a system of people who are business people. They're actually business people. You can get leads here. So when you have people that are already business people, and then they come into your lead system, you have a chance to sell them on something else. Okay, you can do that. Now you go free advertising for you. You go there. That's kind of a surfing thing for surfing credits. So, and you get to email 3 ads weekly. So I'm just trying to tell you, you join all of these companies in it, and then you come there and you put your codes in there and you save it. Then you go and you do that to number 2. You go here, and that traffic ad bar, even though it's there again, you just place your username in here, and then you go to the state of the art of the mail for free people. You could advertise to it once a week. So you go there and you join all of these companies, come back and put your ID or username in and save it. Then you come here and you do this again. And like you say, state of the art mailer, it's there twice, and that one is there twice. And this European safe list, this is an excellent. I'm telling you, this is an excellent deal here. This, I'm telling you, that's a real good deal there. And then you join all of these companies. Then once you do that, there's certain times for free sites that you can do it. I think just go in there and they'll tell you. I don't remember. I have a couple of them. I'm upgraded member because I want to be able to send leads there all the time. Okay. So what you do there, you go ahead and do that, and you start getting leads in there. So that's how you do that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and log into the back office just to kind of show you what's going on. Let's actually go into the back office, and that's what we're going to do. If we can go ahead and get in here. So let's go into the back office. Now, all your leads come, this is my lead stats. Like here, it's 2,300 leads that I got in there. I can click on it, but you'll see these people email addresses, and I'm not going to do them like that. And then you have these lead line. But once you go in there, this is one thing I often tell people that they need to do. You really, really, really need to watch these 2 videos. You need to watch these 2 videos because these videos really, really let you know the power of this lead skimmer software. And I'm going to tell you right now, this software been around since 2005. And I'm going to tell you right now, I still think people don't know about it. They don't know about it, and they don't work this system the way it should. If they work this system the way it should, this thing can really push a lot of leads to you. So that's what I'm telling you. It can push a lot of leads to you. You can take these leads and get them and then use them to try to contact. But guys, you need an autoresponder to come with these leads. You really do need an autoresponder. And they do have that. And I'll have a link below. If you decide to go ahead and join Lead Skimmer, you want to go ahead and upgrade to Global NPN. Because there's another system. Now, that's a system that you got to pay for. But this system is designed for beginners. And that's why you want to start in that form of fashion. So when you go for Global NPN, they automatically, as a director level, they give you 50 leads a month. So I'm just trying to tell you, for beginners, you want to start out with the helping hand. Okay. So once you do this and you get all your traffic hoopla stuff and you have your IDs and stuff, then let me tell you what you do. You come back and you'll have a referral ID just like that. When you start getting leads in from from Lead Skimmer, you tell them to get their traffic here. Go ahead and start out free. Get their traffic here. Let me tell you what start to happen. When these people start joining this same traffic, this same safe list thing that you're doing, you start to get ad credits. And as you start to get ad credits, that means you can email more. And that's what you do. You teach your people to be duplicate of what you're doing. And what you're doing is you're starting and you're trying to find out which ads work. You want to know what ads work. And if you join Global NPN, they have a tracker. And you can put the headlines in the tracker, and then you can come back and look at the statistics, and you can actually find out what headlines are being clicked on the most. And then you start eliminating what works and what don't work, and then you start going with the one that works. You have to do tracking when it comes to getting leads and when it comes to doing business. And then what you want to do, and then you want to tell everybody about it. And then we're going to talk about how to be able to create you a YouTube channel and where you can expose your Lead Skimmer business all over the place, and you'll have people join. If you consistently doing this, if you consistently doing this, let me repeat this. You should be getting 5 to 10 to possibly 15 leads daily. But let me be straight with you, because I always like to be straight with people when they come on YouTube. This is not when my videos are not just fly by night, just trying to get you to join. My video is for real. Guys, if you consistent in actually promoting this lead skimmer business, you will have leads coming into your system daily. You will have leads coming into your system. What I'm going to do while we're here, I'm just going to go into I'm going to go into my back office really quick, and I'm going to try to make sure I am not disclosing anybody's email address. Just to let you know, we're going to come down here, and I have a separate folder that I have for my lead skimmer leads, and I'm not going to open it up. Look how they come in. Look how they come in, guys. Look at they coming in when you actually, and I'm talking about, I'm doing it in a free way. I'm not even doing paid advertising. I'm doing it in a free way. Now, some of the European Safe Lift, I am upgraded with it. It is $9 a month, and you get to email it 3 times a day. But anyway, look how many leads are actually coming in. And this is for real, guys. And then whatever business that you use, you can promote them to. I'm just saying, for beginners, this is the best way to go until you get a feel of it. Because if you go somewhere else, you're going to have to create a lead magnet. And then you have to test that lead magnet. This lead magnet right here, a lead skimmer, is proven. Yeah, 2005. It is 2022. 2005, this same little lead capture system is still going on right now. So if you get to see this video, guys, you need to jump on this. If you're looking for leads for your business, and if you're a business model mode, you've got to have leads for your business. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short. I just want to give you to give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I have next video come tomorrow. Take care. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.